Hi fellow builders and welcome to TuneR, and today we're going to discuss this Red Lotus Proud Defender add-on backpack. And before we start, this video was brought to you by Hobby Ali. So if you are interested to this kind of add-ons to your kit, just visit their website, PM them on their Facebook, or shop in their Lazada and Shopee pages. Also, you can visit their branches, one in Muñoz and one in Pasay. Going back to this kit, so I grabbed and ordered this Proud Defender backpack, master grade, thinking for a possible customization for future projects that I'm going to make. And good thing Hobby Ali got this Proud Defender backpack 1:100 scale by Red Lotus, and as you can see, at first glance, fellow builders, mapapansin nyo, it has good details. Panel lines, look, the electroplated gold as well, and some great details for this kit. Again, this is intended for a 1:100 master grade Strike Freedom, or rather to your Strike Freedom EX. That's why they also include this additional add-on sa B-fin. Ayan, naglagay sila ng B-fin na customize yung if you notice dun sa movie, there's a blasting point or blasting feature, yung B-fin na bago, or yung Strike Freedom 2.0. And a bit trivia first, no, about this add-on backpack in the movie. This backpack is not intended for Strike Freedom Gundam, particularly with Strike Freedom Gundam Spec 2. Instead, ginawa siya to fit kay Rising Freedom by Kira Yamato. And then additional thing, according doon sa creator, tong pinakaset na to is hindi dapat siya kinokontrol na unit or unmanned unit. Doesn't need to have a pilot, but due to the scenario of the movie, they immediately installed a cockpit, very quick cockpit. That's why yung pilot is in a motorbike form during the flight of this backpack. So that's a little bit of trivia for this backpack. And anyways, like I said, for this plastic model kit intended to be fit in Strike Freedom master grade kit, and it has peg available for this one. So aside from this one, meron din siyang every add-ons pegs to be attached doon sa likod ng isang unit. But unfortunately, upon checking, wala siyang fit peg for master grade Freedom 2.0. So di siya pwede mag-fit, not unless i-customize nyo yung kanyang fitting peg for that one. And again, for this one, as you can see, like I said, a nice and good details with the panel lines over there. You can enjoy this electroplated gold as part of the details, and with this katana. I love this katana very much. Maganda rin yung pagkaka-form niya, maangas and matalas tignan. One of this feature daw, according to dun sa box, and parang pinapropose ng box, is meron siyang lighting feature for that one. Ayan, I don't know kung nakikita natin, patay lang natin itong ilaw ni Hobby Ali. So ayan, that's the light effects. It's a magnet base, ayan, that you can operate to make it on and off, or change the position of the lights. just like so. Okay, and turn off. Aside from having a good detailed panel lines for this add-on backpacks, meron din silang nilagay na additional parts for this one. Ayan. So, meron din silang isang clear parts. As you can see, meron tayong light effects. So, just in case if you want to customize this one, you can use this clear parts for further customization concepts and ideas. And another good thing for this kit is this is undergated na material, but there are some good effects and bad effects po yung mga undergated na materials. Indeed, good effects ng undergated na materials, malilesen nyo yung makita yung mga knob marks, but there are some materials that the undergated may compromise the quality, or the appearance of your kit. Like this one, since this is electroplated material, lalo na hindi goods yung pagkakagawa ng electroplated na material, there's a tendency na ma-peel off yung pinaka color cover niya, like this one. Medyo nagkamali lang ako ng cut nung undergate dyan, and nag-result siya sa pag-peel off nung kulay. And then at the same time, if you're going to sand yung ilalim nung undergate, dahil kailangan maglapat, like this one, mga 2 parts na yan, may undergated siya, but you need to sand them thoroughly para lang maglapat. Otherwise, magkakaroon niya ng magiging visible yung mga gap niya pag hindi siya na-sand mabuti. So, ang isang hindi maganda dito sa part na to is there are some parts like this one na kinolor over na lang niya yung material. In short, hindi siya injected molded, color injected molded rather. And kung mapapansin nyo, pag kinat nyo, makita nyo yung knob niya, it's color white. And definitely, hindi ko na siya sinand, dahil pag sinand ko siya, automatically mag-peel off yung red color na yan. Again, that's the whole point of this video. Sometimes, pagka naka-encounter tayo ng China-made na material, we intend to repair some of the parts to make it more functional and stable. But unfortunately, this one, medyo na-paranoid ako, kaya na-loose ko yung peg, yan, right now, nalaglag na. And nagkaroon ako ng mga loose pegs for this one. Yan, mga madali na siyang matanggal. But then again, if you want to work it out again or make it back for this one, pwede nyo naman siyang gamitan nung display tightening na joint pen for this one. But first things first, do not adjust the holes. Yun. Kung kailangan nyo siyang i-adjust, alalayan nyo lang yung pag-twist. Otherwise, mauuwi kayo doon sa pag-loose nung connectors niya per parts, which is nangyari sa akin ngayon at hindi naging maganda yung output. And that's all for this video. So it's up to you. If you want to enhance your existing kit or the master grade Strike Freedom kit, you can have this backpack. And you can check Hobby Ali's website page, PM them on their Facebook, shop in their Lazada and Shopee pages. Again, if you like this video, please do burst like, share, subscribe to my channel, and blast that notification bell for more videos. And this is Red Lotus Proud Defender. Until next time here in TuneR, just build more and build up.